Okay, I'm Margaret Hedeman. I'm presenting Yakatsk, Russia. So it's located here, and the latitude and longitude, as you can see, are 62 degrees north and 130 degrees east. It's 100 meters above sea level. So these are just some pictures. This is from the summer and from the winter. My senior superlative is most likely to have violent mood swings because it's really, really hot in the winter and really, really cold really hot in the summer and really cold in the winter. So this is the climograph. As you can see, there's not a lot of precipitation. I'll get to that later. And you can see the temperature differential, really cold in the winter, and then it gets really hot in the summer. So this is another image of what the temperature looks like. I'll explain this in another slide. So this is the path of the sun, which is the reason for why the temperature is so different in the winter and summer months. This is, as you can see over here, it's in the wintry months in the beginning of the year, around January, February. The sun is in the southern hemisphere around noon. As you can see by this red line, that's where the path of the sun is. And then this is more in the summer months, around June or July, and the path of the sun is really high in the sun, in the sky. And then this is on the other side in the colder fall/winter months, and it's again down below, so the sun does not reach a very high angle of elevation in the winter. So why is this happening? So Yakatsk is sort of in the middle of Russia, and it's landlocked. So this means that since the land it heats up and cools down a lot faster than the ocean, that means that the summers are going to be warm and the winters are going to be colder than cities that are located on the coast. In addition, there's a mountain range to the south, which gets a lot of the moist wind, but then on the leeward side of the mountains, there's a lot of cold, dry air. And in the winter, there's a Siberian high around here, around the plateau, which is a lot of cold, dense air. And then there are no mountains to the north, which means that a lot of cold air from the Arctic can come down into the winter. And it's also far away from the equator because it has a high latitude. So when you're making your homes, you want to take into account that there are really cold winters and hot summers. So you want to take advantage of the hot summers, and since the angle of elevation is really high, have lots of windows, maybe take that energy in, have solar panels so that you can store the energy for the winter. In addition, there's a permafrost ground cover, so you want to build your house on a concrete slab in order to make so that the house doesn't melt the permafrost. I'm Margaret Hedeman. Thank you for watching.